All right, welcome to iFocus Labs. How to create your first online course in under 24 hours. A simple step-by-step guide. And I'm telling you, under 24 hours, I probably started this adventure today at like 11 a.m. my time. I'm in Mexico City at the moment. It's 6:05 p.m. And I didn't even do it all day. I was dicking around, ate, took a shower, and now I'll document my time throughout filming, posting, uploading, and then when it's finally published, and I'll give you the grand total. But I'm telling you, as a beginner, you can build your course from scratch in under 24 hours, and I'm going to show you how. Whoopsies. Bateman. All right, so before we jump into it, what can you expect? All right, so you'll be able to answer the following questions. Why should you create a course? What should it be about? Who is it for? What problem does it solve? What promise do you make? What is your unique process? Then you'll be able to outline, script, and record. I'll give you software that you can download. I'll give you steps you can use to outline your course, make it super easy, how to give a name, how you can upload, and how you can post it. And then, listen, you can post it anywhere you want, but if you want to post it on iFocus Labs with using iFocusHQ, I'll leave a link below for a 7-day trial, or you can wait it out and I'll earn your trust first. But either way, by the time this video is done and this course is done, you'll be able to post your completed first course and be on your way as a digital entrepreneur. See you in the next video.